You know, in my previous video, I have given you the equation GMM at the rate of n initial, GMM at the rate of n design, actually to the percentage. Let me put the sign of percentage over here. Now, whatever the data we have taken from gyratory specimen, we will tabulate it. Because you know, as I have already told you, I have given sample number 1 and I have given the name sample number 2 when my PB is equal to 4.5%. Because in the brand 1, my percentage of the binder is 4.5%. Now what are the value? You know Nini, which I have already told you, we have provided 8 number of gyration as per specification. As per super pave specification, initial number of gyration for my mix design is 8. Now with this, we have to find out H mean what with this gyration, what should be the height? This I would like to write down over here, which I have already collected from my gyratory compaction procedure. 125.3 and 125.7. If I will add these value, the average comes out to be 125.5. This is the average value, average of these two. Next, we have design. As per my previous description, I have told you for my traffic level, I am going to take it 100. With this, height would be reduced, height of the specimen, Ndes. It is 115.8, 115.6. From here, the average value comes out to be 115.7. It is the average. Next, you know, we have the two heights. As I have already explained to you, when the two heights are available to us, we can find out the value of C. It is equal to H Ndes divided by H Nini. If I use this equation, which I have just written over here for your understanding, it means this would be divided by this. After this division, I am going to get C value, which is my correction factor. And I will write down directly value over here. This value comes out to be 0.92. Now, we have already calculated the value of GMB at design level. Here, average value we have already taken in my previous lectures. It is equal to 2.558 average. When this value is known to me and this value is known to me, then we can find out the value of GMB at the rate of N Nini. How will we find out this one? Let me tell you. In bracket I will write down C steric GMB at the rate of N design. It means this value would be multiplied by this value. After their multiplication, I am going to get this value 2.354. Next, we have to calculate these two values. Okay. How will we calculate? You know, this GMB value is given to me, which I have written over here. Now, GMM, which we have calculated at the trial, for this binder content is equal to 2.670. You know, all these values which I am writing over here, these are taken from my previous videos where I have done calculation already. So this value I have written over here. Now, I will find out the value of this one. GMM at the rate of Nini. Actually, it is the ratio of, let us suppose I am going to write on it A and I am going to write on it B. It is the ratio of A over B. Into 100. Because it is a percentage. Right? If I divide this value by this value and multiply by 800, I am going to get its answer 88%. This was my requirement. Second, at the rate of Nini, Ndes. Now, when we say Ndes, so it means my GMM value at the trial is this one. This value. And my GMB calculated at the time of this design is this one. Let us suppose I am writing it by C. So here answer would be C divided by B into 100. If I divide this value by this value, or if I put these value in this equation, I am going to get the value at 95. .8%. So this is the determination of the value, or we can say that we are getting some information when we have arranged our data. So for the further analysis of our mixed design, super pave mixed design, we have to use these two values. And how we have determined these two values, which I have shown you over here. And same calculation I will give you about other blend number 2, blend number 3 respectively. And I will make this calculation. Okay, thank you for seeing this.